Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing before you leave and giving the video a thumbs up. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. We're diving right in. I just received this beauty from Nomad Cosmetics. It is their brand new Hudson Valley palette. I will, of course, insert swatches and give you guys some deets. They are cruelty-free and vegan, and this has a 12-month shelf life. And it is so freaking stunning, you guys. There's the palette up close. I think this is beautiful. I love Nomad Cosmetics. I love everything that they do. I love their thoughtfulness. I love the intent behind everything that they create. And I just love the name Nomad. I love what they represent and what they stand for. Being a nomad, being nomadic and traveling the world, and then taking everything that you see and experience and enjoy in your travels and putting it into a palette. I do have a code with Nomad Cosmetics. It is Riri10, and that's not an affiliate code. That is just for you guys. I'm going to prep my lids very quickly. My brows are my Lottie London brow pencil and my Juvia's Place brow pen. I will BRB. All right, beauties, I prime with my ABH eye primer. As per usual, I really do quickly want to point out too that I love that there is a warm tone side, a cool tone side, and then they have 3 shimmers that you can kind of correspond back and forth. I think it's a beautiful layout. I think it's a beautiful color story. First, I'm going to go into Apple Cider Doughnut. I'm also going to be trying out some Refer brushes for the very first time. I did get these back when they did their sale. They do like 50% off a couple times a year. So I want to test these out as well. This is the Refer number 14. I do love the size of their mirrors as well. And I am just going to nestle this right here in my crease. And then because I do have hooded lids, if I stop here, you don't see any of the work that I've done. So I will pop it in the crease and then gently feather it slightly above my crease. This brush so far is picking up product really well. It is quite soft. And that shade is really pretty. Of course, nothing to write home about. It's a neutral taupey shade. All right, next up, I'm going to go into Bed and Breakfast, this shade right here. And this is more of kind of a grungy green shade. I think it is beautiful. And this time, I'm going to stay on the outer part of my crease. Oh, that is dark. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to stay in the outer part of the crease. And I'm going to come a little lower this time so I can still see my transition shade. And then we're going to have a nice gradient from the light to the dark. And then I really want to have this on the outer third or so. And I do apologize if my energy levels are a little bit low. I am still not 100% from having, COVID. Feeling much better than I was, obviously, but still just not 100%. Feeling tired all the time, still having a lot of headaches. Yeah, it's been a mess. So that is blending out very, very well. I really like this brush. I kind of wish I would have ordered a larger brush. So I am going to go into Ghost Tour, which is our light taupey shade over here, with a fluffy brush. And I just want to smooth out these edges a little bit. Getting a little bit of fallout. That doesn't bother me. I just like to note it for you guys. Also, are you like me and fall is your favorite time of the year, your favorite season? I'm not hot and sweaty anymore. I'm not miserable anymore. All them damn bugs are gone for the winter time. Yeah, I love fall time. It is my favorite time of the year. Of course, I enjoy the holidays and stuff too, but I love fall time. I love fall time, spooky time, Halloween. You get the point. And then I'm just going to go in with Corn Maze, which is a beautiful lime green shade. I always go in with my finger to start with any shimmer shade that I use. And I'm going to pop this in the, and I'm going to pop this on the lid. and come almost all the way over. That is beautiful. And then, so I have a little bit of precision. I'm going to go in with a little small brush that I wet just a touch with some setting spray. And I'm going to kind of carve it out just a little bit. And I lost a little bit of that dark matte, so I do want to go back into Bed and Breakfast and really deepen up the outer corner again. That brush is really nice. Really, really nice. I'm going to wipe this brush off and go into the shade Leaf Peeping right here, which is our kind of orangey gold shade. I'm going to pick up a tiny bit of this, and this has some beautiful like little orangey pinky reflex in it. It is so dang pretty. And I don't want a lot of this. I want to pop it just in the inner part and then bring it up ever so softly. All right, I'm going to do the other eye off camera. I will come back and do my base and everything with you guys. We'll get up close and personal, and then I will bid you adieu. All right, we're gonna go in and do the lower lash line now. I'm gonna go in with the Refer 23. It is a teeny, teeny, tiny little pencil brush. And I'm gonna go back into the Bed and Breakfast. And I'm going to follow that to the lower lash line, kind of keeping it a little bit more precise. Again, the brush feels good quality, it feels quite soft, and it is incredibly tiny. I'm going to take this all the way over, essentially kind of using it as a liner, if you will. Then I'm going to take, I think this one, the Refer 13. And I'm going to go into Farmer's Market, which is this beautiful kind of sagey green. And then right where I did the deepest green, I'm going to smudge it out with this shade. Got a little bit of fallout. I'm just going to use my blush brush. And if you're curious why I held my arm up, it's because every summer people are like, that's not your shade. Your shade is not that shade. I wear an SPF of 50 on my face, and I only wear SPF of 15 on my body. So my body is incredibly tan from being in the pool, and my face is not. So I have to match my face to my body. Just FYI on that. Back into the tiny pencil brush and back into Bed and Breakfast. All right, I'm satisfied. I think it looks really, really pretty. I'm gonna go with my Macstack mascara, and that's it. I literally just have on my Too Faced lip injection. That's all I'm gonna wear. So I'm gonna do my mascara really quickly, and then I will come back to show you the final look. All right, beauties, here is our finished look. I did change my mind on the lip. I went in with the Eleman Beauty Matte Lipstick in Madrid. I think it is the perfect, I think it's the perfect match. I'll get up close so you guys can see the finished look. And that is it. Thank you, Nomad Cosmetics, for sending me this beautiful palette. Thank you to you beauties for watching. I know I say it all the time, but I really am so grateful for you guys. I am so thankful that I get to come in here and do what I love and what I'm so passionate about. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.